Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching guys how to make dumplings, or maybe pot stickers because of the way they're cooked. But anyways, I love making these and a lot of people have asked me for my recipe, so that's what I'll be showing you guys today. As always, I'm going to ask you first, if you haven't already, to go follow my Instagram account. And because of my drink here, I just remembered, if you guys want me to make a video on like how to make a bunch of drinks, like I don't know, a caramel frappe or something, just comment down below slurp. And I don't know, if a lot of people want it, then I will make that video. So let's get straight into it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that video. I certainly loved making it. And there's a few things that I just want to point out before you guys make this. I'm pretty sure I mentioned it either in the description box below or during the text throughout the video. But first off, the cabbage, you don't need to add it unless you are using turkey meat, because turkey tends to be drier than chicken, and cabbage kind of helps put the juiciness back in, if that makes sense. So if you are using chicken meat, you don't really need the cabbage. If you guys have extra meat, because sometimes we have extra left over, you can always just kind of make them like little patties and fry those, because I mean, it's not like the meat is like, you don't have to use it in dumplings, you know, it can be used for whatever you want. If you enjoyed watching this video and maybe are thinking of making it, go ahead and click the thumbs up down below, as well as subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!